Akwatia one. You don't.
All right, ebusunya akwa bi on Fambra Ghana and Asem TV eso. Ebusunya very disturbing video. Kire say abrantie bi ana beti so anko de bakope efuo no wado no se de bi ono de odebedi etuturu Asem no de komunipa. Na ensa wo de tudwa na ebusunya ense wani ensa wo ka kire. We NDC ni ya or send message am NPP from Akwatia. That ense ma ebusunya o de tudwa.
Sa Akwatia one. You don't nyame. Ye lazy egu. Oba me bo nfuo. Hey, me kala.
Asema o kana serious o.
Me mani blast am na me ka o se. NPP ni abi amagana. Masa, me so na me ka o.
All right, ebusunya ma akwa bi San Fambra Ghana and Asem TV eso. Me sure say share video yi wan kasa ho adwede wo. Me boa, ho adwede wo. Wo de ho ndwede wo atro comment section say ho ndwede wo ye. So because of power, now person wo boa mo bi papa, obi nua, obi adam fo be ye MPP. Wo say wo betwetuo ne wo komunipa. Because the pan free other political party. And now I'll drain the work from Nigeria na Jimmy as asking me a came through a number. But me sure say IGP Christian Tete you know. Sa video way. Ya. Montag Ghana police. Comment section as in Famayo. The country Ghana police say Endra obi tibi ka asem bia mo se eno mutime gina so de chisa nipa no. Na way obi agina aka se ono de obebotu akum nipa oye MPP ni obeba Akwatia se obeto abade ama ne nua eye MPP ni or stand as parliamentary candidate obebo ne tu akuno na se up till now me ne oka say IGP Christian Tete Yohunu ene ne mrantie CID Ghana Armed Forces ene nkofo nkaka ho order the security agency national security for entime fa sa omuburu katani kukuru katani kakakaka no enkonko fa akwa wembese nkoche na kire se omo ye selective justice na moye. This guy on the video evidence wo hono ma okasa say obi obeba Akwatia o MPP ni bia na obo ne tu akuno. You don't need anything again. You have this, all you need is this video. And this video is on the internet. You can just find this guy, arrest him, jail him, take him to court. My man in the man ebuni say we differ. Mun jail no. So that you know say you people are not being selective in the justice that you guys are saying in say mo person prevail no. Let's because Ghana is ruling by a kind of saying constitution. We are practicing democracy. We are not practicing autocracy. We are practicing democracy. Therefore, say Obi can be been, and it goes against the constitution of the Republic of Ghana. Sanipano, Mamra Indi, Mamra Indi, because how on earth, and na Abrantia. Wabeti kutu wabeti nyade akopa adwuma ya dokoko efu banche efu bodifu emufu na wonso wonye bi edi no. All you can do the best and say you be incite violence na waka atwe ne other opponent one ne ko election se me de oba me bo otu ekun because if you other political party. And the IGP Tete you know is trying to tell me say who video he has not seen the video. You see, IGP Tete you know, I know you are a man of integrity. I know you are a man of integrity. And you not let something like this slide into Israel. By the end of tomorrow, my aunt say this man has been invited and arrested and charged to court. The NTR or see obe kungo for no umbra mbechire. And if it is right in the constitution of the Republic of Ghana, say citizen bekas obe kum obi because of election na court no emaye hu. Na emra no eni ni ndi send emra ni city. It says one yes ade we. Na nyame adom na ochina. Allegedly obi to kokasa bibi say ya. And something similar to that. Na say bia kofa nipa na. Ghana for beka say the IGP and the Ghana Police Service is being injustice to some people and they are doing selective justice. That's what they are going to say. And I know you don't want people to say that about our service, about our Ghana Police Service and our security services. So, yes, real. Let the law work. Let the law work. Let this guy be arrested and charged to court. for attempting to, you know, unalive people because of an election. A criminal case according to Momrano. A murder case. Because attempted, say obeying, we shouldn't pamojagu. And there is evidence to prove. He said it, and you been a camera, he said it himself. So Akwatia, be pa on a kind, yamina kind. Video in a one hour share. So you don't need anything else to work. All you need is to just, you know, invite this guy to your office, you know, CID on there. Invite him, let him come and assist you people. You can understand investigation behind him, investigation behind him. You don't want a kind. Your bar no charging no. Morris no charging it to court. Na court no. I should show constitution name. Article 11111. Why not the boom pine. Udi for now dibema. Udi for call udi bem so call. Simple as ABCD. Na be anya kama. Na be anya kama. IGP. I trust you, say you go do them. You are the believe you. Say you're a man of integrity, and something like this, you know, go make a slide under your watch. I know you. I know the kind of work you do. You'll be one of the most working IGP. I know you say you go do this one. Give me simple. I trust you are. We they beg you, this guy, make you no go scot free. Make you people arrest him. Make you make father arrest him. Because things like this, you know, no good for our democracy. We they beg you are. We they beg you. Wow. We they beg you. We me I they trust you. I know say go fit do this thing very simple. Give us. Now wo abranti wo abeti. Unko pe asase wo people so be bi nkonko dokoko efu ni banjifu. Ipe kum na ba kokum. Na wo de omo so omu wi na bo hu jimi. Omo so omu wi na bo hu jimi. Na me I try IGP dem me gini di rough. Ghana police. Believe omo. Oh, wow, simple. So we say, una onim ni pekum. Kuna gokum, ombe so onbe na odruwa. Abonso no ko ye gen. Na sa man chia kwa we ya. Man chia kwa we ya. Man china. Okay. We are just watching. We no go say anything. Yan can show. We no go say anything. What you say? But you have to do the needful. Ghana police. I know you. I trust you people. You're gonna do it. Very simple. Modi amondi samuka samonya. Muka sambo yang kwa dia o. In 10 minutes, pa. I'm fan da. And I trust you people. I trust your intelligence. So you can do this work simple. All right. Ebusunya Ghana Asem TV. Edi am just so. Any promise. Send me kana ebusunya. Oba video be saying very important. Say na details na woman important no. Or some share various groups among na wom. No who say this is the planner amount for planning about by election across Akwatia. This is in some NDC for the person or more any plans on my plan. Na Ghana police for no. Na security here tight to Akwatia by election. Aye ba be kono. Say na be ya yam pese e be any casualties any way be about be pese to trust him be so Akwatia. We want election that is free and fair and peaceful. And himself. Ghana police, you don't know me. Yeah, lazy. Oba, me boom. Hey, me can I see you? Me many blast them na make house. NPP ni Ghana. Masa, me so na make